Pretty little black skin girl, pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty, Caribbean cutie.
Hey Jams, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually very random. If you don't know, I do make and sell natural skincare products over on my Etsy shop, link in the description box below. But every once in a while someone emails me or DM me wanting to pick up the order in person because they live in the area. So I'm about to prep that order because they're picking it up tomorrow, and I thought I should make a little quick video out of it just to give you guys a behind the scene look into my little business. So I've already made everything, so I'm not about to be showing you guys how I make the products, but I'm going to show you how I label it and package it for pickup. When I have online orders, the packaging is different because of course it has to be shipped. However, I do my in-person pickup orders a little different. So let's get started. So she ordered 2 bundles of the rose. Now if you don't know, I do have bundles on my Etsy shop where you can save 10% if you order a body butter and matching soap. So she has 2 rose bundles, 2 turmeric bundle, 3 soaps, and a mango butter. So I'm gonna start labeling these, and I have to package the soaps. Some of my soaps are already packaged, like the rose are already packaged, but I have a few that I still need to package, like the turmeric and this almond coconut and coconut charcoal. So let's get started. So this is her full order. 2 turmeric bundles, which comes with the turmeric butter and soap. 2 royal rose bundles, which come with the royal rose butter and soap. She got 3 soaps, charcoal coconut, almond coconut, and a lavender. And then a creamy mango body butter. I'm debating if I want to put this in one or just leave it, because it doesn't really come with anything. But everything else is in one, so I think I might just put it in one, just so everything is consistent. Okay, so this is everything. All of the bundles, and then the mango body butter. So yes, this is all 1-person order, and I'm gonna put all of this in my bag that I bought. Y'all, when I purchased these bags online, they looked more teal, like the color in my logo, but in person it looks more blue. However, I already have them, so I'm gonna use them. It's, I guess, close enough. If you could see that color there. Yeah. So I'm gonna put everything in this bag. So I actually used 2 bags, because if I put everything in one bag, it started to like crush up the business cards. So I used 2 bags, and everything was coming up to like the top if I put it in one bag. So I'd rather it have room. So yeah, I put it in 2 bags, and then the last thing I'm adding is my thank you cards. So these are my thank you cards. It goes in every order, and it just says thank you for treating your body like the gem it is, which treating your body like the gem it is our slogan. It's even in my logo. Details, y'all, details. Treat your body like the gem it is with Gems Holistic. So yeah, I'm gonna put one of these in each of the bags, just because there's 2 bags. I want it in both, and that's it. That's how I prep my pickup orders. So yeah, guys, that's how I prep my pickup orders. I think my packaging is pretty nice and professional and neat. I'm still learning, so as I learn and do more and find new ways to do stuff, I'm obviously gonna change shit up. I am obviously going to change things up as I, grow. However, right now, this is what's working. I'm all out of samples, but if I had more samples, I would have thrown some samples in the in the bag. Like my sample body butters and stuff comes in these little things. However, these are actually new products I'm currently testing, so I can't give none of those away. But yeah, that's it. So if you live in the Orlando area and would like to pick up anything in person, all you have to do is email us or DM me on any of our social media platforms, whether it's our business Instagram page at Gems Holistic or on Facebook at Gems Holistic. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out my Etsy shop. I have so many new products that's going to be rolling out throughout the rest of this year. I have baby products coming. I have products for mothers coming. What else? I have facial products coming, which they're already made. I'm actually only trying it out on myself, like in my household so far, because I want it to actually work and do what it says it does. So far for the past month and a half, I've been using my own facial products, my own face wash, my own moisturizing face cream, and my own toner. And I don't have on makeup right now, other than kind of filling in my eyebrows, but I don't wear makeup. So yeah, clear face, right? Anyways, yeah, check out my Etsy shop, link in the description box below, and you guys will see me in my next video.
And you deserve it. All this is perfect, and it's the magic in everything you do. Isn't that nerve?